Let's dive into a quick lesson on visibility/graphics and the power of view templates in Revit. 1. We start in the parking floor plan. Hit that VG shortcut to open the visibility/graphics overrides. Navigate to the Revit Links tab. Notice how we can easily toggle the visibility of our architectural and plumbing links. 2. Now we switch to the green roof hardscape view. Open VG again, but wait. Everything in the Revit Links tab is grayed out. You can't click a thing. What's going on? 3. Look over at your Properties palette. Under Identity Data, you'll see a View template is active, assigned to Plumbing Plan. When a template is on, it locks your manual overrides. 4. To unlock it, simply click the template button and change it to None. Now jump back into your visibility/graphics settings. Boom, the checkboxes are back in action.